Global shares fell on Monday. They were hit by a sudden and massive sell-off in precious metals, which forced investors to drop other assets to cover any losses. Silver was on its way towards its biggest two-day loss since at least the 1980s. It fell another 7% on top of Friday's 30% plunge. The silver price had more than doubled in 6 weeks to a record of just over $121 an ounce on January 29th. Spot gold also hit a record of just under $5,600 an ounce last week, but it was down 5% on Monday. A lot of the pressure has come from the Chinese commodities market, where trading in silver futures was suspended due to extreme volatility. The knock-on effect on Asian equities led to MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan falling nearly 3%, while Japan's Nikkei fell 1.3%. European shares were also slightly down, while Wall Street futures fell around 1%. Monday's stock drop comes ahead of a week full of corporate earnings, economic data and central bank meetings. Investors will hear updates from companies involved in the AI boom, with earnings due from the likes of Alphabet, Amazon and AMD. They'll show if the billions poured into AI will start to bring some returns. The US dollar also steadied on Monday, the currency rally by the most in a day since last May on Friday. That followed President Donald Trump's announcement of Kevin Warsh as his pick to replace Jerome Powell as chair of the Federal Reserve. Some analysts believe he's less likely to push for deeper rate cuts than some of his rival candidates, although he has recently signalled he believes looser monetary policy may be in order. Other commodities also dragged Monday. Oil prices slipped more than 4% on signs of eased US-Iran relations. Trump said over the weekend Iran was seriously talking with Washington.